Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of May 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Cancer, so let's look into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of May 2021. So let's see what is the... Let's start with your energy first here, Cancer. Also, Cancer, please note that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Cancer, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's check into your person energy here, Cancer. Okay, so on this side here is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. So the first thing that I've got coming up for you here, Cancer, let's start with the sign first. I'm getting a very strong earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting like a very strong water energy coming up here as well, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could be dealing with any of those signs, or your person could have any of those signs in their chart. So with your energy coming up here, Cancer, the main energy or the mutual energy between both of you here, I've got deception. And then your energy specifically here, Cancer, I've got the Three of Swords, I've got the Four of Pentacles, and then I've got Ten of Wands energy coming up here. So let's start with the Three of Swords energy coming up here first. The Three of Swords energy is basically talking about heartbroken feelings, sadness energy, I would say here, and combined with this deception energy. Now I'm getting two specific energy coming up for you here, Cancer. The first energy here is that I do feel like there was some sort of like a deception or some sort of like manipulation between you and your person, in a sense that they might have done something or they might have been hiding some sort of like an information with you here. That there could also be like a third party situation here. And for some of you here, Cancer, this is not related to your person but something related to your past. So like for example, your childhood trauma, your past relationship issue. But the main important thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Cancer, is that there is still a lot of pain, there is still a lot of heartbroken energy here over some sort of like a deception, some sort of like manipulation in your life here, Cancer. And this is what making you feeling overwhelmed. This is what making you feeling like you have been carrying this baggage, you've been carrying this emotional burden, you've been carrying this emotional pain all within yourself here, Cancer, for years. I'm talking about years of pain, years of heartbroken, years of deception here. Now this is the main issue, or this is the main cause why you couldn't how do I say it here, why you couldn't move out from this particular anxiety, fear, like all of this pain and all of this trauma within yourself here, Cancer. So this is where you need to start looking up onto yourself, or this is where you need to start healing yourself, is what I'm getting here. And then another thing that I've got here is that with this Four of Pentacles energy coming up here, the Four of Pentacles is a little bit of closing up yourself. So again, coming back to all of this pain, all of this baggages within yourself here, this is what making you unable to open up yourself again, because deep within yourself here, Cancer, you have this very strong fear that what if I open up myself into a new relationship, but at the end things are actually going to be the same as well. So there is a lot of this particular thought within yourself here, Cancer. And for you to be able to step outside of this for you to be able to step outside and just open up yourself here to new love, to reconciliation, or to anything to any new opportunity that is coming up towards your life here, Cancer, you need to heal yourself first. You need to heal all this heartbroken energy, all this deception energy that has been there within yourself here. So this is the main energy that I've got coming up for you. Now let's look into your person energy here, Cancer. I've got the High Priest, I've got the Four of Cups here, the Ace of Cups, and the High Priest energy. So it's also quite interesting with your person energy here is that with this High Priest energy, this is basically talking about a new spiritual awakening, or at least a new, like a milestone being reached within your person's spirituality, I would say here. The first thing that I've got here is that Cancer, they have some changes on their heart. They have some changes on, basically on themselves here, on how they view you, on how they view this particular connection, I would say here. Especially with this Ace of Cups energy coming up here, this is basically talking about, I won't say a newfound love, but because of these changes coming up from deep within themselves here, Cancer, they are also starting to open up their heart to you, and they're also starting to open up their heart to this particular connection here. And with this Four of Cups energy here, it's like the situation has been reversed between both of you here, Cancer. And what do I mean by that here is that in the past you are the one who has been waiting for them to message you, who kind of like, okay, why they are not texting me, what is going on here. But at this point of time here, the situation has been reversed, in a sense that they are the one who's actually waiting you to communicate with them. They are basically waiting for your messages here, Cancer. Like they're kind of like waiting to hear from you, waiting to see you, like basically like they're waiting to be able to communicate with you. They're waiting to be able to see you face to face, I would say here, Cancer. And then the overall energy that I've got here is that with this King of Pentacles energy and the Oak King energy coming up here, the Oak King energy and the King of Pentacles energy is definitely a good energy, because the King of Pentacles is basically talking about someone with a level of maturity, I would say here. I do feel like this particular King of Pentacles energy here is your person energy, in a sense that they have gone through a lot of changes within themselves here, and they're finally coming up as this little emperor, while you're coming up as the empress here. Cancer, again, does not matter the gender, can be male or can be female. So with these two energy coming up here is that you are definitely still coming up as a little bit high level vibrational energy than your person, but they are also working on themselves to finally come into that particular position here as well, Cancer. So they're working on themselves to come into this new level, like the emperor level, I would say here. And then with this Oak King energy coming up here, it's almost like surrendering process, or it's almost, I won't say letting go energy, but it's like surrendering process as well as the revelation process, like an awakening process that is that your person is currently going through, which is why the outcome energy or the overall energy between both of you here, I've got the new beginning coming up here. So there's definitely going to be a huge new beginning energy that will become between you and your person here, Cancer. And another thing that I've got here is that the Kinder partnership energy, basically talking about the soul connection between both of you here. So this is another confirmation that yes, both of you have a very, very strong soul connection here as well. So that's it for your reading, Cancer. I hope it resonates, your soulmate and twin flame energy reading for the month of May 2021. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.